Guys, tapos na ako umihi. Tapos sa wakas. Haba ng pila ko na.
That we will see, and this hallway elevator to make possible the animal to be lifted up at a certain time in the like in a gate.
They would bring the animals to the elevator.
I mean, you are a gladiator standing here. The animal can come over there, but the animal can't come here. How many toys so popular? One is
Trust. So you see at one point.
Ikutin natin to, guys. Ikot-ikot sa gladiator ng room. And make it all the way. Love me, last forever.
Lo que decía del lago y del Coliseo era un lado del Coloso de Nerón.
¿Ya me crees?
Ang laki ng bato. Bato pa lang ng ano, ni gladiator. Laki ni gladiator kaya, guys. Ito may gate doon, no? Sa taas. Make it real. Yun yung elevator na sinasabi niya. Picturean ko nga. May gladiator, guys. Tweet, 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 tweet. Last forever. Make it real. Make it all the way. Ang taas, guys, akyat ko sa second floor. Kasi sa ground floor tayo, diba? Ngayon, akyat tayo sa second floor. Ayan. Akyat is real, Jud. Mga 1 hour mo to siya makita itong Coliseum kasi malaki to siya eh. Nahirapan nga ako naghanap kanina ng ticket. Doon lang pala sa right side. Naghanap ako. Ang tagal kong hinanap para lang makabili ako ng ticket. Diyos ko, naghanap ako. Naloka ako doon. Nawala ako, guys. Ay, grabe. Ang taas. Nakabok. So, and guys, nasa second floor na tayo. Haba ng pila eh.
Was there any damage that was incurred during World War II with the bombing?
Grabe, may drawing pa oh. May drawing nga yata nila yan.
No.
Saan ba ako pupunta?
From a plane.
Excuse me. Sabi lang sad, di pa ako galing doon. Tingnan natin dito. Ano yan dyan? Hala.
Guys, now we are inside the museum. So, who asked me about the second war? Yeah. So, guys, why not? First of all, there are some rooms. So, we can show you more. Second, at some point, he was the best friend of Benito Mussolini. Hitler was one, and he used to say that God are in Mussolini. So, he was kind of worried about the Soviet Union. He went to Romania and this is my favorite so that you may be hungry. Lions will climb up. No, it's sweatpants.
Oh.
Climb up. An ostrich. Yes. So they put So that's how they work. Just look at these capitals here.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Look at the size. Imagine getting one of
But
those
this
to
is-
balance on top of.
Grabing laki.
And this is, what kind of marble is this?
It's the transformation. And that's it. Picture na. Tapos habang huwag ka ng video. Make it all the way. Sa kabila. Meron din pala doon. Oh. Ikutin din natin. Ito yung ano guys, room dito. Ito yung, andito nag-away sila gladiator. Ayan dati, oh, yun, nag-iba, oh. Laki pala siya dati, mas malaki siya. Dahil nga sa, ano, nahati siya. Kaya kalahati na lang siya ngayon, guys. Grabe, oh. Ito yung room, guys. Coliseum. Coliseum room.
This way, please. This way, this way.
Hindi na magkasya yung mga tao. Sobrang puno. Sobrang puno, guys. Ala, kasi siksikan tuloy. Ayun kasi, inuso-uso nila kasi. Bato talaga siya, guys. Batong. Para siyang marvelous. Ito yung mga meaning niya. Ito naman yan. Ito yun. Tapos ito naman yan yun. Tapos ito naman, yung mga statwa na yan, yung mga ano na yan, decoration na yan, ito yun. Ito yung mga meaning niyan.
This side of them.
Nagkorte siya na tao, oh. Mukha. Yun, nagkorte siya na heart na parang tao. Os contigos unidos. Tentitinas unidos. Okay. Labas na tayo. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Strawberry. Videohan natin lahat ng mga inanakit nila. Daming mga hinanakit sa mundo. All the way. Mura lang yung ano kaya nila guys. Entrance. Pag sa internet ka dito bibili, mahal yung entrance. Mga nasa abutin nga ng 50 euro. So mahal siya.
Eso sí lo haces ahora, te ponen cárcel, la ponía abajo.
Video natin yung mga... Ayan, si H. Robert. Robert, eh. Don't say you love me. It lasts forever. Don't make it real. And make it all rain. Ay, dito na yung elevator. Yung bababa ka na. Hindi pa ako dyan. Tapos, sa kabila pa ako. Excuse me. Pwede malusutan yata doon. Ay, iba yun. Okay. Wait lang. Excuse me. Excuse me. Make it all down. Love me the last time. Make it. Grabe daming tao guys. Hindi na ako hindi na ako makalusot. Inaano pa naman ako guys. Liit-liit ko pa naman. Excuse me.
¿Ah?
That's basically for the common people, made of wood. You see the difference? Marble, limestone, and wood. On the top, this is for the slaves. Slaves of rich people. Who were they? People who got the brain, the culture. They used to call them pedagogues. Who were the pedagogues? People who got the brain.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse. Oh, sorry. Excuse me.
Okay. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Okay, let's move. Why the heck do you give them education when they can open an account? And they're earning more than that, right?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay. So I heard about my friend of mine doing that job, and they're earning more money than me. Okay, guys.
So ito guys yung Coliseum, may mga pinagtagpi na lang nila, pinagtanggal na lang nila para mailagay dito para as Coliseum guys, para remembrance na lang nila sa mga unang panahon. Yan yun siya, yung mga decoration nila, yung mga gamit nila. Dami din pala nila yung buto-buto, mga ganun. Ang dami Ang dami din nilang yan. Yun lang siya guys. Pero grabe talaga yung niya. Yung laki ng mukha. Ano kaya yan? Crocodile? Ay hindi. Para siyang
A kind of token with prizes on it. That
Ay sorry.
when you are leaving,
Sorry, excuse me.
you can take it. They had 14 years. So your mother brought the elements library, which is also forbidden that you see.
Okay guys, off ko muna. Thank you for watching. Bye! Continue tayo. Part 2.